Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel from cryptowichard, where we explore the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most promising blockchain projects of our time, Polkadot. Polkadot is a next-generation blockchain platform that aims to solve the biggest issues facing the blockchain industry today. In this video, we'll dive into what Polkadot is, how it works, and why it's generating so much buzz in the crypto community. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get updates every time we upload a new video. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. What is Polkadot? Polkadot's unique architecture sets it apart from other blockchain platforms. The Polkadot relay chain serves as the central hub of the network, providing security, consensus, and communication between different partitions. Partitions are customizable, independent blockchains that can be tailored to specific use cases, allowing developers to create applications that meet their needs. The relay chain also enables horizontal scalability, meaning that the network can handle an increasing number of transactions without compromising performance. This is achieved by dividing the network into different shards, or partitions, each with its own transaction throughput capacity. In addition, Polkadot's architecture allows for interoperability between different blockchains, making it possible for them to communicate and share data with each other. Polkadot's focus on scalability, security, and interoperability makes it a promising platform for a wide range of use cases, from DeFi to gaming to supply chain management. With its unique architecture and growing ecosystem, Polkadot has the potential to revolutionize the blockchain industry and pave the way for a more decentralized and connected future. How does Polkadot work? Polkadot's sharded multi-chain architecture is made up of 4 key components that work together to ensure the platform's scalability, security, and interoperability. The first component is the relay chain, which acts as the main chain of the network. It provides the underlying security and consensus mechanism for the entire platform, as well as facilitating communication between the different partitions. The relay chain is responsible for maintaining the overall state of the network, as well as handling cross-chain transactions and finalizing transactions. The second component is the partitions, which are the customizable, independent blockchains that are connected to the Polkadot network. Each partition has its own set of rules and features that can be tailored to specific use cases. Partitions are designed to be highly scalable and efficient, allowing them to handle a large volume of transactions quickly and securely. The third component is the bridges, which are the connectors between Polkadot and external networks, such as other blockchains or traditional financial systems. Bridges enable interoperability between different networks, allowing users to move assets and data seamlessly between them. This feature is essential for creating a truly decentralized ecosystem, where different blockchains can communicate and work together. The fourth and final component is the validators, which are responsible for maintaining the security and integrity of the network. Validators are nodes that participate in the consensus mechanism of the network, verifying transactions and maintaining the state of the system. Validators are incentivized to act honestly and ethically through a staking mechanism, where they must lock up a certain amount of DOT tokens as collateral to participate in the network. Together, these four components create a powerful and innovative blockchain platform that is designed to solve the key challenges of scalability, security, and interoperability that have hindered the growth and adoption of other blockchain platforms. With its sharded multi-chain architecture, Polkadot has the potential to enable a new wave of decentralized applications and services that can operate on a truly global scale. What makes Polkadot unique? Polkadot's focus on interoperability is one of its unique features. While other blockchain platforms may be limited to specific use cases or applications, Polkadot can support a wide range of them. This is made possible through its use of bridges, which allow for communication and data transfer between Polkadot and other blockchain networks. This interoperability enables a range of possibilities, such as creating cross-chain DeFi protocols or facilitating decentralized supply chain management. Polkadot's sharded architecture is another unique feature that sets it apart from other blockchain platforms. The use of partitions allows for horizontal scaling, which means that the network can handle an increasing number of transactions without compromising performance. This is a significant advantage over traditional blockchain platforms, which often rely on vertical scaling that can become expensive and complicated. Additionally, Polkadot's sharded architecture enables the network to be more resilient to attacks, as only a portion of the network would be affected if a single partition was compromised. Polkadot's customizable partitions offer developers significant flexibility in creating blockchain applications. Partitions can be designed to meet specific requirements, such as low transaction fees, high transaction throughput, or advanced privacy features. This means that developers can create blockchain applications that are tailored to their needs, rather than having to adapt their applications to fit within the limitations of the network. In summary, Polkadot's unique features make it a highly versatile and flexible blockchain platform. Its focus on interoperability, scalability, and customizability makes it an attractive option for developers and businesses looking to create blockchain applications that meet their specific needs. Polkadot's potential use cases. Polkadot's interoperability and scalability features make it well suited to disrupting several industries, including finance, gaming, and supply chain management. In the finance industry, Polkadot's ability to facilitate cross-chain communication between different DeFi protocols could enable the creation of a seamless and integrated DeFi ecosystem. This would allow users to easily access a wide range of financial products and services across different blockchain networks, such as lending, borrowing, and trading. In the gaming industry, Polkadot's sharded architecture could enable the creation of decentralized gaming platforms that allow players to truly own their in-game assets. This would enable players to buy, sell, and trade in-game assets with other players, without the need for intermediaries. Additionally, Polkadot's scalability could allow for massive multiplayer games with a large number of players to be hosted on the network, without sacrificing performance. In the supply chain industry, Polkadot's transparent and secure network could be used to create a tamper-proof system for tracking goods from production to delivery. This would enable companies to ensure the authenticity and quality of their products, and would also provide consumers with greater visibility into the supply chain. Additionally, Polkadot's customizability would allow for the creation of supply chain solutions that meet specific industry needs, such as traceability and compliance. In conclusion, Polkadot's disruptive potential lies in its ability to enable cross-chain communication, facilitate the creation of decentralized applications, and provide secure and customizable solutions for various industries. As the technology continues to evolve and mature, it will be exciting to see the impact that Polkadot has on these industries and beyond. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more trading videos and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content.